G'day YouTube, back at it again. This morning I got up nice and early, sanded all the body filler off the front lip, got it all prepped. Beautiful sunny day here in Melbourne and everything went perfectly well. Not a cloud in the sky, so I took out into the sunny backyard, set it up on the sawhorses, plastic primed, primer, laid on the 2-pack black. Everything was going beautifully, and then all of a sudden it started to rain out of a sunny sky. So it just really makes me hate the weather in Melbourne. So right on my fresh wet paint started to rain, so I grabbed my lip and ran it into the garage, put it under cover, and then I dropped it and left these 2 fingerprint marks in it, and there's a few little spots where the rain dripped on it, so no good. Yeah, so those few little things really just ruined that front lip. It's not the end of the world, like I always say. You can sand it back, you can start again, you can paint again, so one day we'll get to that. There's quite a few bits on the paint that I want to fix up. The more and more I look at it, the less and less I'm happy with it. Sure, it looks better than it did by a long shot, no offense to the previous owners, but it was just the original paint that was just left to go 20 years wear and tear. So that happens, and everything's looking perfect on the car, and some panels I'm super happy with, and other panels that I just don't even want to look at them. So anyway, we're going to stick on the front lip, get that fitted up and stuck in place and let that dry. So I've gone ahead and removed the wheels again, so it's back off the road. There's the rims there. I'm going to need some of this handy dandy sticky tape, some screws, charge the drill, some wax and grease remover, and some Sikaflex to hold it on. And yeah, so I'm gonna mess around with that now. I'll put it onto a bit of a time lapse, and we'll get into sticking that lip on. Alright, so as you've just seen, that didn't really go according to plan. Sikaflex is absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to try and wipe off all of the excess now before I put the tape on and just let it dry. It's everywhere. Not going to lie. Gosh. Such a mess. Totally ruining this microfiber cloth though, but I've got heaps of them. Gosh, everything just went out the window, and there's glue involved. You'll probably see on the time lapse that I'd managed to drill into my fingertip, so that was another win. These are all the glamorous things that other YouTubers don't tell you about or don't show you, where they put their body on the line for car mods. Alright, let's move it around. God, there's a lot here. I don't know how I'm going to get this to stay on. I might wipe it and tape it in one go. I guess I could have maybe tried double-sided 3M tape or something, but don't have any. One, I'm impatient. Two, and that shit falls off after a few months. Where is this stuff? Doesn't go anywhere. God, this is a fail. Run out of clean spots on this. Let's put some tape on there. No good. It's not the best fit. Oh well, we're committed now. Do I dare squeeze a bit more in there? Make more mess, why not? Gotta be consistent, right? Call me the butcher. This side actually doesn't look too bad. One part that I didn't fail on, that's alright. Tape it down flat anyway. Oh well. That was half a fail. It'll look alright when it's finished in the end, when this tape comes off, but just disappointed really. That went so much better in my mind. The whole of today went better in my mind actually. I can't believe the sun was shining and then it started raining right after I did my last coat of paint. Still sunshine, still nice warm day, still working up a bit of a sweat, you know, standing out in the sun, painting, or getting a bit uncomfortable, maybe not sweating, but sunshine. Next minute, rain. Still sun shining, just to ruin my paint. I'm convinced it was just to ruin this lip installation video. But hey, you can't win them all, and progress is better than no progress, as they say, so what can you do? On another note, look how good those headlights look. LEDs. They are super bright. Right, I'm going to throw the wheels back on. Put it on the ground, let it sit there overnight, take the tape off, and fingers crossed.